Today we are introducing the best project next to Al-Barari. A gated community that offers townhouses of 3, 4, 5 bedrooms with discounts up to 40%. Full amenities of retail shop, mosque, gym, nursery, clubhouse, kids play area, sports courts, swimming pool for kids and adults, outside seated area, and a designed area for the luxury section where we offer a swimming pool and a gym. We offer the most flexible payment plan in the market. You can choose one of the payment plan where you pay a 20% down payment and 80% on handover, or you can pay 1% monthly from now until the handover. For cash buyers, you can get up to 40% discount. For more information about the payment plan and the availability, contact us today.